Welcome to BigBrosAI dashboard. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp message template. On your dashboard, click on Templates in the left panel. This page shows all the templates you have already created. To create a new template, click on the Create Template button here. First, enter the template name. Make sure it describes the nature of your template. Next, choose the template category. There are three categories of templates: marketing, utility, and authentication. Marketing templates are used for promotional messages such as offers, campaigns, and product announcements. Utility templates are used for transactional updates like order confirmations, delivery updates, and payment notifications. Authentication templates are used to send one-time passwords and verification codes for login or security purposes. Let's create a marketing template. Next, select the language in which you want to send the message. After selecting the language, choose the template type. WhatsApp supports 5 types of templates. Text templates contain only text and are used for notifications, confirmations, and OTP messages. Image templates include an image along with your message and are commonly used for promotions and marketing campaigns. Video templates allow you to send videos, which are useful for product demonstrations and tutorials. Document templates allow businesses to send files such as invoices, reports, or tickets. Location templates allow you to share a business location directly in WhatsApp. Carousel templates under marketing category allow you to send multiple cards in a single WhatsApp message. Each card can include an image or video, a title, a short description, and action buttons. Users can swipe through the cards and interact with each option. We will create an image template to understand this more. In template format, add the body for your message. Let's understand variables first. Variables allow you to personalize messages automatically for each customer using dynamic data. Variables are written using double curly brackets, such as curly brackets 1, curly brackets. Whenever variables are used in a template, a new section called Sample Values will appear. Here you must provide example values for each variable. These sample values are required by Meta to review and approve the template. For example, first variable can be the name of a user. So provide the sample value as Rahul. Second variable can be a product or any service. For example, WhatsApp Marketing AI Agent. Third variable can be the price or any offer. Let's say 2,999. This helps Meta understand how the final message will appear when it is sent to customers. As you create your template, you will also see a live preview on the right panel. This live preview will show exactly how the message will appear on WhatsApp when it is sent to customers without the square brackets. Next is the footer section. It is commonly used for branding or additional information. For example, the footer may contain text such as Powered by BigBrosAI or Official Notification from BigBrosAI. Next, we have interactive buttons. Interactive buttons allow users to take action directly from the WhatsApp message. Here you can add call to action buttons or quick reply buttons. Call to action buttons include options like visiting a website or calling your business. You can also add a phone button that allows users to call your support team directly. Quick reply buttons allow users to send a response instantly with one tap. Examples include book demo, get pricing, or start free trial. You can also add a copy code button for promotional offers, allowing users to copy a discount code directly from the message. For example, add the button text for URL as link. Add the button text for phone number as call now. Add the button text for subscribe. Review the live preview on the right panel to ensure that your message looks correct. If everything looks good, simply click the Save Template button. Once submitted, the template will be sent to Meta for review. The template status will initially appear as pending. Meta usually takes a few minutes to a few hours to review and approve the template. Additionally, you can click on the Sync Templates button to refresh the status. Once approved, the template will be ready to use for sending messages through campaigns, API, or automation. It is also important to understand the 24-hour customer service window. When a user sends you a message or replies to your message, a 24-hour service window opens. During this period, you can respond to the user and send utility templates. Sending them during this window is free of charge. And the 24-hour window resets every time the user sends a new message. If still have further doubts, you can contact our support team and they will guide you with the process. Thank you for using BigBrosAI.